Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to find and download your complete purchase history data from Amazon. This is incredibly useful if you need to track your spending, keep records for tax purposes, or simply want a comprehensive view of everything you've ordered over the years. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and head over to Amazon.com. Once you're there, sign into your account. After you're logged in, hover your mouse over Account and Lists in the top right corner of the menu bar. From the drop-down menu that appears, select Orders. This will take you directly to your purchase history list. On the Your Orders page, you'll see all your recent purchases displayed. Here you can select a specific date range to narrow down what you're looking for, or you can use the search bar at the top to find particular items. This gives you a quick overview, but we're going to go deeper to get your complete downloadable data. Now hover your mouse over Account and Lists in the top right menu bar again, and this time select Account. This will take you to your main account settings page where you can manage various aspects of your Amazon account. Once you're on the account page, scroll down until you find the section labeled Request Your Data. This is Amazon's data privacy feature that allows you to download all the information they have stored about your account. Go ahead and click on it. You may be prompted to enter your password for security verification. If so, type in your password and click Continue. This extra security step ensures that only you can access your personal data. On the next screen, look for the option that says Your Orders. Right beside it, you'll see a Submit Request button. Click on Submit Request to initiate the data export process. Amazon will immediately send you a confirmation link to the email address associated with your account. Open a new tab in your browser and check your email inbox. Look for an email from Amazon regarding your data request. In that first email, click on the link that says Confirm Data Request. This confirms to Amazon that you genuinely want to download your purchase history data. Now comes the waiting part. Keep checking your email regularly and follow any additional instructions Amazon sends you. Typically, you'll need to wait a short time, usually under 24 hours, for a second email from Amazon. This email will have a subject line like, Your Amazon data request is ready. Once Amazon has compiled all your order history data, they'll email you a download link. The file is often provided in CSV or zip format, which makes it easy to work with. When you receive this second email with the download link, open it and click on Download or the link labeled Download Data to retrieve your file. Save the file to your computer in a location where you can easily find it. Then open it using a spreadsheet program like Excel or Google Sheets. Once opened, you'll be able to view your complete purchase history data with all the details about every order you've ever placed on Amazon. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.